Discover how air pollution triggers lung cancer. So, metrology and chemistry ba to?
Yes, ma'am. Pero sa ngayon wala pa tayong area niya. So, we're looking forward for the passing of the metrology.
And then, ma'am, mahilig ang Filipinos sa whitening. Whitening everything. So, ano yan? Metrology and chemistry, tingnan na kung nakakakos pa ng cancer ang mga whitening.
Yes, ma'am. Pwede po, ma'am.
And last, kasi taga-Cebu ako, yung mga sulfite sa dried mango.
Yan, meron na po kaming reference material for that. So we are supporting the export products of the dried mangoes po.
Okay, so yun ang mga na-encounter ko, lalo na yung air pollution na nung nabasa ko last November ba yun or October, wow. Hindi lang natin alam kasi marami tayong mga kakilala na lung cancer na non-smoker or walang smoker sa kanyang environment, no? So, maraming salamat. Kung meron tayong mga question, may isang question, wala pang question, meron na tayong questions doon sa lecture 1, 2, and 3. So, if you have questions sa lecture 4, use the cream ba ang kulay nito? Use that card and then meta card. And we have our next sa akin, first love ko ang biology. Kaya lang napunta ako sa tao, psychology. Sa totoo lang, yun ang aking first in-applies kung mag-UP ako. Nakapasa naman ako sana, pero ang mama ko hindi pumayag na mag-UP ako. Kasi baka maging aktivista. At marunong magsigarilyo at mag-inom. Kasi yun sa probinsya, yun ang alam dati, di ba? Ng mga parents. Kaya napunta ako sa Cebu ka na lang, wag ka lang. Sabi ng mother ko. You know, that was the image before, no? But biology is in my heart, and let's listen. Let's listen to this lecture on metrology in biology from the Senior Science Research Specialist and the head of the Metrology and Biology section of the National Metrology Laboratory of the Philippines, Mr. Marlon Aguinaldo.
Okay, magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. So, ako po si Marlon. So, I have been working with metrology and biology for the past 5 years. So, metrology and biology po is one of the youngest in the field of metrology. So, biological measurements, matagal na po yung ginagawa, pero yung applications po ng metrological concepts in biology, bago pa lang yan. So, sa ITDI, nakapagsimula na rin po tayo since 2017. So, what is biological measurements? So, nung bata tayo, nung high school tayo, nalaman natin na ang biology is the study of organisms or yung mga living things. So, when we say biological measurements, ang mini-measure natin dito is yung something na may buhay. So, ako, I have been working with microorganisms. So, ang mini-measure namin dito is yung mga concentration ng mga bacteria sa ating mga pagkain. Meron po bang mga microbiologists sa ating yan? So, hindi na para ako nag-iisa dito. So, ito ang isa sa mga applications ng metrology in biology. So, similarly with the metrology in chemistry, so we are dealing with food safety. So, ang metrology in biology is actually para siyang younger brother ni metrology in chemistry. So, at the BIBL level, so nag-develop ang metrology in biology from the metrology in chemistry group. So, what is food safety? So, food safety is ang garantiya na ang pagkain natin ay ligtas. So, ibig sabihin, wala itong harmful microorganisms or namimit ito yung standards na sinet ng ating gobyerno. So, ang pagkain natin dapat magbibigay lang sa atin ng nutrisyon at ng sustenance at hindi ito dapat magiging cause ng ating pagkakasakit. So, this is a paper from Dr. Asansa published in 2019. So, pinapakita dito yung mga iba't ibang foodborne diseases sa ating bansa from 2005 to 2018. So, makikita natin sa first column at ang iba't ibang microorganisms na nagkakos ng ating foodborne diseases. And interestingly, yung ating first row, makikita natin na meron tayong unknown cases of foodborne diseases. So marami itong ibig sabihin. So pwede itong wala tayong analytical capability to detect kung ano yung klase ng microorganism dito. Number 2, pwede rin naman yung mga tao na hindi na sila nag-bother na magpa-test pa. So nung dumating sila, hindi na sila nagpa-test kung yung nag-cause ng sakit sa kanila. Also, the World Health Organization reported in 2018 that we had 17,000 cases of bloody diarrhea in the Philippines. So this is quite alarming since kung meron tayong bloody diarrhea, this is a very serious case. So ipapakita ko dito yung iba't ibang stakeholders sa ating food safety system sa ating bansa. So it is a complex system, pero ipapakita ko lang is a basic representation. So sinasabi dito, food safety is a public good. So kapag sinabi natin public good, this should be spearheaded by our government. So ang ating gobyerno, nag-create ito ng mga policies at mga regulations tulad ng Food Safety Act of 2013. Just like we discussed ni Aleni kanina, so we have different regulatory agencies handling different products. Also, nag-create din tayo ng mga food standards na tinatawag. So ang pagkain natin ay nagsisimula either sa farms or sa ating mga food manufacturing industries. So ang mga ito ay kailangan sumunod sa mga standards na sinet ng ating gobyerno. So for our agricultural products, ang natahasang agency na mag-handle nito ay ang Department of Agriculture, specifically for meat products na ito ang ating National Meat Inspection Services. At para naman sa ating mga fishery products, meron tayong Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources. For our food, processed food products, yung mga delata, ang nangangasiwa dito ay ang Food and Drug Administration ng DOH. So sila yung nag-handle, sila yung nag-inspect sa ating mga manufacturing factories. Sila rin yung nag-handle sa ating mga processed food, sila yung nagsiset ng standards at nagbibigay ng clearance kung pwede na itong i-release sa ating merkado. So after the production, ang ating pagkain ay pupunta sa ating mga markets. Kasama na dito yung transportation, wholesalers, at retailers. So ang magiging papel ng mga ito ay kailangan nilang i-ensure na yung tama yung storage at transportation conditions ng ating mga produkto. And lastly, yung mga pagkain ay dumarating sa ating mga hapagkainan. So the moment na binibili natin yung product, nagiging responsibility na natin as consumers kung paano natin i-handle yung product. So kailangan tama rin yung pag-handle natin dito. In this complex system, meron itong isang vital component which is yung ating mga testing laboratories. So ang mga testing laboratories natin, sila yung nagbibigay ng scientific basis kung pumasa or hindi ang produkto sa microbiological standards. Kung sinabi ng isang kumpanya na ang kanyang produkto ay walang salmonella, so kailangan meron itong scientific basis. So kailangan meron itong testing. And to provide confidence in these measurements, these laboratories would seek accreditation. So ang accreditation is an external assessment of the laboratory to ensure na confident tayo sa results na binibigay ng laboratory. So right now, ang accreditation natin is still voluntary. So the accreditation is being conducted by the Philippine Accreditation Bureau of the DTI, and the FDA to some extent also conducts accreditation. So in this complex system, saan ba pumapasok ang National Metrology Laboratory? So ang National Metrology Laboratory, dito po siya pumapasok sa part ng measurements. So together with accreditation, with testing, the National Metrology Laboratory is involved in the quality of our measurements. So, ang sinabi po kanina, ang food testing laboratories po natin, nagsisik po sila ng accreditation to ensure the confidence in the results. So, this is provided by the PAB. So, ang standard po na ginagamit dito is the ISO IEC 17025, and tulad ng sinabi kanina ni Ms. Aleni, so part ng requirement ng standard natin is the participation of these laboratories to proficiency test schemes and the use of reference materials. So the participation to the PT schemes is an experimental exercise of the laboratory to prove their competence in their measurements. So right now, these services are not available in the country. So these laboratories, ina-outsource nila itong mga services na ito abroad, and these are costly. So ang nangyayari, yung mga laboratories natin, nalilimitahan para participate nila sa mga proficiency testing. And these services could be provided by the National Metrology Laboratory. And this gap was already identified by the DOST in the previous years. Hence, we have existing projects right now, funded by Researach and funded by PCARD. And nakapag-conduct na rin po tayo ng 4 na proficiency test schemes sa tulong ng itong mga proyekto. So other types of food safety issues, tulad doon na-discuss ni Eleni kanina. So we also have food recalls. Ito po, nangyari sa Netherlands regarding our banana chips. So they were able to detect salmonella in our banana chips. And malaki yung naging impact nito since it is in the European Union. So kung madetect ito sa isang country tulad ng Netherlands, ino-notify nito yung other members ng EU. So, hindi lang yung Netherlands ang nag-act sa problema nito, kundi yung other EU members such as yung Denmark, Italy, at Norway, at iba pa. Also, yung mga food detention cases natin. So, fisheries is a major industry in our country. It is one of our major food exports. So, meron din tayong mga detention cases dito, and the reason behind are microbiological contamination. So, ano naman ang epekto dito sa atin? So, as consumers, if we eat contaminated food, we may develop foodborne diseases. So, yung mga symptoms ito could be simple diarrhea, or pwede ito mag-cause ng dehydration, and eventually, this could be fatal in some cases. And of course, aside from the physical stress, the emotional stress, meron itong financial stress sa ating mga biktima. For our producers, meron cases ng food recalls, pwede magkaroon ng investigation at damage sa reputation ng ating companies, at pwede magkaroon ng impact to workers, and trying to rebuild the reputation of the company would entail additional costs to the company. At sa ating namang bansa, of course, kung meron cases ng detention or foodborne disease outbreaks, of course, magkakaroon ng investigation, mag-mobilize ng tao ang ating gobyerno to conduct the investigation, and pwede itong mag-damage sa reputation ng ating bansa, and pwede magkaroon ng impact sa ating economy, and this could be cost, and this could, pwede itong magkaroon ng dagdag na gastos sa ating bansa. So aside from the financial loss, meron din tayong loss of opportunities. So marami pang applications ang metrology and biology aside from food safety. So makikita natin dito yung pwede siya ma-apply sa clinical setting, in agriculture, in veterinary, in molecular biology, and also in pharmaceutical testing. So what am I saying, what am I trying to say here is, marami pang specializations ang kailangan natin sa metrology and biology. So marami pa tayong fields na dapat i-conquer. So right now, we are only conducting activities for food safety. So we need a lot of expertise in this field. So in conclusion, food safety is everybody's responsibility according sa WHO. At pag sinabi natin everybody, kasama rito ang National Metrology Laboratory of the Philippines. So together with testing and accreditation, the National Metrology Laboratory ensures the accuracy in measurement of the country. And lastly, with accurate measurements, we help ensure public safety as well as the competitiveness of our local products. So with that, maraming salamat po.
Thank you very